Good, good, good. All right. So they're on a Go Bananas walk right now, which means they can kind of do whatever they want to do. They're on their training collars because we just got done training where we're going to bring them out for a reward. We're not going to make them do anything other than stay kind of close to us. Good, good, good. Come on, Cranberry. Go ahead and speed up, please. Good, good, good. So we're going to make it happen. Good, good, good. So you see how they're walking now? It's important to let dogs have these type of walks. For sure. There's some people out here. Come on. Doodle, Weimaraner, and buy it. Kind of Corso. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. They love this place. Oh my God. Oh, there's a German short hair pointer. That's awesome. Good, good, good. Oh, no wonder he almost slipped. It's muddy. It's the Dickens out here. Oh, look. Samson found a ball. Awesome. Good, 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 Samson. Good, good, good. Bye. Oh. Good, 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 Oakley. Hello. Good, good, good. Hi, Samson. You're so handsome. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, 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 Bubba. Thank you for not jumping. Good, good, good. Good, Samson. Good potty. Good, Bayek. Good potty. Oh my God. It's gonna be a miracle if Oakley stays clean. Awesome, man. Oakley just walked up to somebody, to the lady over there, and didn't jump on him. And she has her dog. She has an e-collar on the dog, so she's probably training with him out here, which is cool. Good, good, good. And Oakley ran towards me when I chanted. Man, watch me eat poop out here, dude. Look how slippery it is. A lot of gumbo. Oh, this is new. Cool, man. Oh, man. All right, please get some back. It's Cranberry. Dang it. I knew it. You always do that. Good, good, good. They love it. Hey, Cranberry. There's one right over here. Look. That's probably the closest one. I put the leash kind of close to where it's at. Wow. Man, they're having a blast. Especially Samson. I'm sure they want to play. Oh, look, there's two little dogs out here, though. So that's not the smartest thing in the whole wide world, I guess, but hopefully they know what they're doing. Oh, this looks like it's good, 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 Samson. Good, good, good. Bike, want water? So much fun. Good, 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 Oakley. Oakley loves Oscar. Just loves following Oscar around. He loves Cranberry. Good, good, good. That dog's so freaking fast. Look at these. Hey, Bayek. Good, 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 Bayek. Good, good, good. Good bike. Just coming over here to be on the safe side. Bike is good. Oakley is good, and Samson is good. Sometimes Samson gets bothered by the little dogs. Oh my God. Good, good, good. Samson, good, good, good. Okay, so look what Samson's doing. I'm about to go get him. Good, good, good. Good, Oakley. Good bike. So you see my presence? I'm just coming over here. If they go to... No, sir. Good bike. Gotta stop. Leave him alone. He's little. Good, good, good. Man, what wonderful temperature. Other than like the gumbo, and it's really slippery out here. It's fun. Good job. Thank you, Oscar. Cool, huh? I feel like these two are new. We come out here almost every week. They did it fast. I don't remember this. Good, 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 Baba. Good water bike. Good water bike. Handsome and smart. Good, good, good. No, he wants that ball tossed. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, 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 my love.
Water.
Look, this way. Oh.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Good, Oakley. Cool, huh?
Yeah, it drains.
Cool
right back
setup,
in
man. Oh.
Yeah,
Good, good, good. Hey, buddy. How you doing, Papa? Beautiful, huh? Hi. Good, good, good. It's a beautiful dog. Good, Oakley. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, good, good. Good, 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 Baba. Good, good, good. Oh, thank you. Yeah. He's still a baby. He's a year old. He's a little immature. Yeah.
He's 10 months and he's still the same.
Dang, he's a good size. He's 10 months old.
His dad
Wow.
is around 80, so he should be somewhere.
Oh yeah, yeah. He's wonderful. And he's a German short hair pointer, yes?
Yeah.
He's beautiful.
Hello.
Good, good, good.
Where'd you get him?
We bred him.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we breed Corsos. Yes, ma'am. So we just bring him out to socialize him
Yeah.
with some of the other dogs. Is he local?
No, he's from Cold Spring up in
Okay.
the Huntsville area.
Oh, cool, cool. Is this your first German short hair?
Mixed or
Okay.
purebred, yes. We had him mixed
Yeah.
before.
Yeah, you're doing good. Are you working with him on recalls and stuff?
Yeah. So
Awesome.
He did shed retrieving, and then he's also just like a field hunting dog with us.
How fun.
So
Yeah.
He's currently learning the collar and how to recall and how to respond to it.
Good job, yeah. Yeah, and you know, the distractions are good, I suppose, as well. Those are your two over there as well?
No, those are his.
Oh, okay. I saw him.
I'm kind of worried because he doesn't do great with small dogs. He's kind of bouncy, and I'm like, oh.
Yeah, it's that prey drive. Yeah, he's got
Leave it.
Samson. Good settle, Samson.
No.
Oh, that was awesome. He dropped the ball and he caught it right from his mouth. Good, good, good. And that's like a dominance thing. You know, obviously he can't get Samson pregnant. and he's neutered too. It's just a dominant thing. And you know what? Like, you know, we do like doggy daycare and doggy training. What happens is a lot of the dogs like to try to mount Samson, because I always tell Cranberry, Samson is like, he's not that he's dominant, but he's really cavalier.
Yeah.
So it makes the other dogs feel like they think he's better, that he thinks he's better than them. So they always,
He like holds himself, yeah.
yeah, you know, right? There's something about him, yeah. And he doesn't like pay
loves
that much
any
attention.
breed. Yeah, he loves any breed similar, like Weirevers, Vizslas.
They do.
Short hairs, he
They
loves
tend to,
them.
yeah.
He's like, you look like me.
Yeah, he's a happy dog. Good, good, good. Does he have any siblings at home?
No, he's
Okay.
got, like we have a 14-year-old terrier, but she's not related.
Cool, yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, and 14 years of age is a good age. Good, 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 good. What is his name?
Tucker.
Tucker? Yeah, he's handsome.
Kind of Corso kind of way.
Yeah, just the way he's put together, he's nice. He's put together really good. I bet he's got a lot of energy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you see, like, it's cool that you have him and you understand him. So you're like working him, giving him time to... Oh! Dude! That just... That's awesome. We'll pay no attention. I should have got that on video.
Yeah, but you can't do it with the black dog.
You know, a lot of times people, that's why they end up in rescues, get a dog like this.
And they
Because
don't understand that energy.
they like the way it looks.
Physical.
Yeah, they like the way it looks or something, or because it's a cute puppy, but they don't realize it's a lot of energy. Like Samson. Samson doesn't have that much relaxed time.
Yeah.
Even when he's with us, he's always ready to go.
Well, and they're
Yeah.
working breeds. I feel like people forget that, you know, these dogs were bred for a purpose
Yeah.
and for a job, and if you don't give it to them, like they're gonna run you out of house and home.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's cool that you have him and you're giving him the proper outlets. But you see, Oscar, what I tell you, dogs love. There's something about Samson.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because he's fast and they equate that with like power or something. Because he is fast. How fast he is. Oh, how fun. Good, 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 Samson. Made a new friend, huh? Oh! Ouch, Oakley. You all right?
You good?
Yeah, good, 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 Oakley. Oh man, they're having a blast. Good, good, good.
They paint. I think the tennis ball.
Yeah, it's a tennis ball. Good, good, good. Samson, hey, can we share it? Good, good, good. Good, 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 Tucker. Good, 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 Tucker.
I think he wants to.
He's probably just really pumped up. Good, 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 bike. Good, good, good. Yeah, Samson has it, man. He's hogging it around. We should have brought some of those big ones. The dogs like the big ones. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Let's see what Oakley's doing. Good, Samson. Do you work on his recall just from sit stays and down stays?
Anything. So if he's in the middle of sniffing something, I'll call him back. Just
Cool.
to make sure that whenever we're out, he knows, like, hey, I don't know
Yeah,
what
of
to
course.
chase it, but come back.
Yeah, that's what you have to do.
Didn't see that there was a
Thank you,
buck.
Cranberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you have to do.
And he was like, oh, I'm gonna go chase that buck. And I'm like, you're between that buck and that doe, you're gonna come here.
Right, yeah, he has to understand that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he's usually pretty good about it.
How long have, oh my God. That's
You know, that
Samson.
blood puddle.
Yeah, he loves getting dirty. Good, good, good. Oh my God, I heard it from over here, Samson. I heard it from over here, Bubba. Oh my God. Having fun, Tucker? Good. OMG. That's unbelievable. He's gonna get Tucker all dirty. Yeah, that's what we brought Oakley. It's grooming day for, oh my God, Oakley. Good, 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 Bubba. Did you find a stick? What'd you find, huh? Hey, no, don't drink that. Don't drink that. Don't, you can play, but don't drink it. Like Samson, see, he's playing, not drinking, and play. Don't drink it. Good, 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 Samson. You lost the ball. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, Samson. Smart. Tucker's looking for it in the water, and Samson has it in his mouth. Good, good, good. Good, good, Samson. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Oh my God, buy it. Good, 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 Samson. Good, baby. So handsome. Look at you, man. Oh my God. All right, hold on. It's time to share the ball. For the love of goodness. Look, for the love of goodness. It's time to share the ball, yeah? Samson's just fast. So handsome. Oh! Ouch. That's what you got to be careful about when you got big dogs like this, yeah? They'll bump into you. Good, good, good. Look at Samson. Dude, ridiculous, Samson. He got 2 tennis balls in here. Wow, Samson, he's smart. There's still another one in there. Good, good, good. All right, Cranberry. Let's start heading out. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. You're so handsome, Bubba. Good, good, good. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, good, good. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Oh, look at that. Good, 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 Tucker. Good, 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 Oakley. Oh, 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 this was a slippery spot. Good, good, good. He wants to follow her around. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, 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 good. Handsome. It's about time he probably got a little e-collar himself. No, I'm joking. See, there's where the e-collar comes in real handy. Yeah, you can enforce from far away. Good, 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 Oakley. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good. All right, thank you for interacting with them, letting them play. Hopefully we'll run into them again. And in fact, you'll be able to see the videos that I'm shooting on a YouTube channel called The Law of Distraction.
Okay.
So just look it up. You'll see the video here in a couple of days. Have a good one. Good, 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 good. Bye, Samson, Oakley. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Man, he's gonna go and get himself nice. I can't believe this is the cleanest Oakley has ever stayed. The cleanest. Good, good, good. You're potentially the dirtiest. Good, 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 my love. Man, I almost slipped like 3 times. Huh? Dude, they're gonna smell. Good, 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 babies. All right, everything went well. Oakley got a little distracted by that young lady. Just wanted to follow her around. He's a ladies' man. Good, good, good. Damn, man, they bumped into each other a lot. And Samson's skin is really thin. He busts up fast, so hopefully he'll be good. Good, 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 Oakley, baby. It's time to get the heck out of here, guys. Oh, man, that was fun, huh? Awesome. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. We have a lot of content coming up. We've been shooting training videos like a maniac. We'll be shooting some videos of getting him to come a little bit better when called with his buddy Bayek and Samson. Thank you guys for watching. Awesome. Thanks.